U.S. stocks in the red this Friday morning here at the New York Stock Exchange as jitters over the global economy continue to be sparked by poor manufacturing data out of Europe. IHS Markit said Friday that manufacturing activity in Germany dropping to its lowest level in more than 6 years in March. In France, manufacturing slowing to its lowest levels in 3 months. And for the eurozone as a whole, manufacturing falling to its lowest level since April 2013. A rough end to the week for the eurozone. Meanwhile, in the forex market, the euro-dollar is where we begin. That's under pressure and in focus. The pair stands below its strong horizontal resistance, 113.40, and remains on the downside. Short positions below 113.40 are favored with targets at 112.80 and 112.45 in extension. The British pound US dollar pair, that's under pressure, while the dollar yen under pressure as well. Now the Bitcoin dollar, that sees a rebound towards 4,073. The pivot point set at 39.30, while in precious metals, gold sees a rebound in sight. And in focus, gold breaking above a declining trend line and should post further advance. Long positions above 13.0650 are favored with targets at 13.1650 and 13.20 in extension, while silver, that sees a rebound. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your forex market updates. And for Trading Central Web TV from the New York Stock Exchange on this, a Friday morning, I'm James Swinney.